as a pretty girl, I never been this kind of factory before, and I learned a lot today. This big machine is station pump, and here it's concrete. It makes concrete pump. It's so big and huge, right? Come to look more with me. Wow, there are so many charts, and I heard this is to mix concrete on the chart. Okay, after visiting the factory, I heard we had a used pump part, right, Mr. Sun?
Yes, this used concrete pump, was 2013. The model is 2013. This from Zhongliang. This room, has a good condition. They have the 6 section with the master Benz chassis.
Wow.
And it's working well. We manufacture, we check in, testing, and all the fractions they are working well.
Wow, that's cool.
Ecer technology makes foreign trading easier.